Welcome back to TeshKidFX for another Apecoin price prediction update, which at the time of this recording is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2, in a move that has now fully maximized our minimum target area in the formation of this wave 2 within this blue target area. And all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of that first wave in a move that gave us a high at around the $4.6917 mark. And having seen the formation of that first wave and a corrective structure in the formation of that wave 2, my primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3. And before I get further into the technical analysis to give you the short-term scenarios and also give you my target areas to the upside in the formation of that wave 3, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to continue with the video by first giving you a target area in the formation of this wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that now gives me a target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $5.6064 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting Apecoin to do here on the short-term scenarios in the formation of that wave 3. And for that move to also play out, there are key moves that we need to keep an eye on, and the first one is a break above the wave 1 high of this Elliot wave structure right here. And the moment we manage to break above the wave 1 high, which I have highlighted here on the charts using this red line over here, then that will be enough confirmation that we are back in the formation of that wave 3, and there will be high chances of fully maximizing our minimum target area at around the $5.626 mark. We also need to have in mind that as we continue unlocking higher prices in the formation of that wave 3, we cannot just move to the upside in a straight move. We have to see some impulses followed by corrective structures, and in case we continue seeing a breakdown like the one we are seeing at the moment, the key area of support at around the $4.2 mark needs to continue holding. And as long as we are holding above that key area of support, there are high chances that we are going to continue seeing our reversal to the upper side and continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 3 until we fully maximize our minimum target areas. And once we see the formation of that wave 3, I'll be expecting a wave 4, then a wave 5 to the upper side to complete an even larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upside. And that means that this Elliot wave structure right here is a fractal wave within an even larger Elliot wave count to the upper side. And if I zoom out so that I can give you the long-term scenarios, here on the Apecoin chart, after seeing our bear market low at around the $2.5976 mark, we started this massive bounce to the upside in a move that gave us a high at around the $6.5 mark in what I'm terming as a wave A to the upside. Then we started a corrective structure to the lower side in the formation of this wave B in a move that managed to get into the minimum retracement area highlighted here on the charts using this red target area down here. And having seen the low for this wave B, whatever we expect next on the long-term scenarios is the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave C. And in the formation of that wave C, because of its impulsive nature, I'm also expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas. And that's the reason as to why you can see that I have this micro Elliot wave count within the formation of that wave C, where I'll be expecting the formation of the wave 5 to fully maximize our target areas in the formation of that wave C. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios and also on the long-term scenarios. And in case the breakdown continues here on the Apecoin chart, we need to keep our eyes on the key area of support at around the $4.2 mark, because that needs to continue holding. But in case we see a reversal from the current prices that we are trading within, there are high chances that we are going to break through the wave 1 high, continue gearing up until we fully maximize our minimum target areas in the formation of that wave 3. And also taking a look at the indicators here on the RSI, we are trading at around the 58 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.